Do you remember of your childhood days? Children anywhere, they defy the narrow boundary of nationalities, religion, caste, race, or fort, etc. Every person's childhood is the first stage or part of our life. It is a period of relaxing and we can spend time without any tension, worry, or pressure. Every person spends that fantastic and memorable time with great joy and happiness. The most exciting part of childhood is spending time with friends. Every one of us has some good and bad memories which are very much fun loving. We all have beautiful memories, but may be some of we forget and some we can still memorize. Innocence is their religion. How magically sweet is that period of life? Which could travel to that period of life day riding in time machine. We spend our childhood wishing that we would grow up as soon as possible and then spend the rest of our lives wishing that we could go back. A person's childhood is the sweetest, most innocent time of his hard life, as well as the source of their fondest memories that no one ever forgets. I remember how my grandmother loved me. I used to sleep with her. They still flash before my mind, eyes, and fill my heart with a wall of joy and pleasure. Before fell asleep, she used to tell me fairy tales of which she had a significant story. I listened to them with profound attention. Human life is divided into four periods: childhood, youth, middle age, and old age. Childhood is the best and sweetest of all these periods. One upon a time, we collected money from 20 friends to buy a bowl, but now we can buy ten bowls with one money, but we will not get those all free. Childhood memories are some of the most precious keepsakes to hold dear to your heart, especially as you grow up. Sometimes you have to remind yourself how it is felt to be a kid, and memories from your adolescence can help you do just that. Whether it is remembering something that made you smile or brought out the happiness part of you. Certain childhood memories just stick with you for a lifetime.